Hi guys! So for today's cool down, we are looking at, sorry about that guys, let me start over. So for today, we are looking at what are all of the possible side lengths of a rectangle with an area of 21 square units. So if I draw a rectangle and I think about area, I know that that rectangle has to have 21 tiles. So I'm going to be finding all the factor pairs when I'm finding side lengths. So I'm going to think to myself, what times what is 21? Well, I always start with 1. I know 1 times 21 is 21. So I could have a rectangle with one side having 21 and the other side having 1. Okay, 2 doesn't go into 21. 3 does. I know 3 does. 3 times 7. So another possible rectangle would have one side being 3 and the other side 7. Okay, I'm going to run out of room. Okay, let's keep thinking. 4 doesn't go into 21, 5 doesn't, 6 doesn't, 7 does, and now I'm back to 7. So I have found all the possible side lengths of a rectangle with an area of 21. So you could have a 1 by 21 or a 3 by 7. This number has more than one factor. So a little side note, I know it's a composite number. Okay, let's look at number 2. What are all of the possible side lengths of a rectangle with an area of 50 square units? So now I'm thinking, what times what is 50? I always start with 1. You could have a 1 by 50. 50 is even, so I know 2 times some number is 50. Let me think. Oh, quarters. I'm thinking about quarters. If I have 2 quarters, it makes 50 cents. That helps me to remember 2 times 25 is 50. 3 doesn't go into 50. 4 doesn't go in there. Oh, I know 5 goes into 50. 5 by 10. 6 doesn't go in. 7 doesn't. 8 doesn't. 9 doesn't. 10 does. And I already said 10, so I know I'm done. So I've got 1, 2, 3 different rectangles that would make 50. So my possible side lengths would be 5, 10, 1, 50, 2, and 25. Alright guys, just a reminder, a prime number is a number with only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Are either of these numbers prime? No, they have a lot more factors, don't they? So both 21 and 50 would be composite numbers. Alright guys, that is all for today.